Hello guys, welcome to my kingdom. My kingdom already have 193 people who have already joined to my kingdom. So subscribe now to get more videos and be a part of my kingdom. Thakur Ansashi. So the Hira Thakur, bits ID, post ID, that one. So always mention this in header section. Okay, this is header section. We have to double click here. So to reach header section, see header is mentioned and all this is gray out. Okay. What happen when we write something in header section? Each and every page will get header section 3. Automatically it will come. Okay. Each file on the top it will be the header visible. Okay. So always write in header section so that we don't have to manually do it. So we will start with our case study. It has to be performed and then questions are highlighted. So we have to give the code files here. We will paste a screenshot of this file, given Java, and then the output we will show here. For question two also, all these three files will be, a screenshot will be pasted and this output will be also be pasted. For question three, we have 4 Java files and the output will be pasted. Then fourth question, 4 files are there and then we will upload the screenshot of 4. Perfect, we have 2 files and this is the code files and one will take some screenshot and these are also required as debugging and start over because we have to give the breakpoints into the constructor and check and watch variables. So we will attach their screenshots also. And then you will attach lab user screenshot and this screenshot will have your name here. Okay. And it will show your time used and time remaining. Eclipse folder, yes, we are going to create all these files and folders. So we can start with our lab. In this lab, we have to create this Q1 Java file, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, organic farm, agri unit. So let's check what we have to change in our system. So definitely you can write something in this agrotrack system or please enter your name. This we can edit it somehow. But write something else if you want to rewrite. And let's go to Q2. In Q2 we can change. You have to give some name here. Farm name change. It means you have to give your like give some name. Twinkle farm. Give here Mera farm. Mera farm, Tera farm, Uska farm, Uska farm. Write any name. And change this to 40. Give this 29, 39. Give this 20. Anything like give it 35. Change the code and this also. Give it 31. Give it 27. Change this also. Make it random so plagiarism comes to it. Next day. So Q3 in Q3 we will the farm name. Give some name. Kingdom. Kingdom farm. Give some name. Random farm. Okay. So we place inventory, we have to change this place also. Add something to inventory. Give it 20 to 41, change it to 32, change this to 40, and farm details will be same. Q4 we also have to change the rescue state, the people farm, this is where the actually produces. And we place Ratnagiri, Pune, the Mumbai, and change this to some other name. Pune, India, Delhi, Delhi, Kolkata, right? Something like that. So this means I will take Sriram and this is Thakur. Okay, since write your name or any name, okay, and everything will be same. So the codes you have to change are in just Q2, Q3, and Q4. Remaining rest are same. Nothing you have to change in any of them. Okay. Remember Q2, Q3, Q4. Full screen this, and we have to start. But before proceeding anything, let me tell you that what we are going to do. So this is agro track, and we have to create all these files so that we can run them and get our output. So agri unit farm, farmer, organic farmer, and then Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, our files will be done. Okay, now payment is perfect. So let's start how we will do. And we have to click here, click on file, click on new, click on the class. Is we no, we have not created any project yet. So, click on new. We have to create the project first. So we are going to create a Java project. So you will get like this. So you have to write here Java so that you will get the Java project. Click on next. It is asking you project name. So in course I have already used my this name. So give same so that you don't face any issue. This and put this small. Use first one small. And let's save also save, save, paste and save, paste and save, paste and save all. Yes, it's perfect now. Let's go. Write the project name, my first lab, okay, and directly you can click on finish. All these are correct. All these are correct. Okay, my first slide. Click on this arrow, it will show you that SRC file. This is useless, but click on here, right click from the mouse, click on the new, let's get our class. So it's already there, package name should be there, if it's not there, the file name is same from this code, all should be same. This is the package, okay? It should match package and this. So it's already matching my first class. And the name will be, this will be the name of this file. So we are going to first create the Q1 to Q5 file. Okay. So let's start everything. Click on the finish. So is my first last name and this is Q1. So we'll write the code here later, copy and paste, but let's create everything fast. Click on there, click on new, click on class. So we will write Q2 finish. Yeah, Q2 also there. Now let's do everything faster. Okay. Class Q3, Q4, finish for Q5. Click on new, click on class. It is Q5. So now we have more names like Q1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Organic farmer. Okay. So click on my first class. Right click on the mouse. Click on class. Write organic. organic farmer, yes, capital R, capital S, farmer, and then click on finish. Okay. Name should be correct, else you will face issue. Let me check. Organic farmer, organic farmer, okay, it's correct. So let's create for more other classes required are farm and okay, we have one more farmer and agri unit. Let's do it. Click on the new, click on the class agri unit and farm is done, farmer is also needed. So click on the new, click on this class, new farmer. Okay. If you do something naming is wrong, then you have to click there and search for refactor and then you can rename it. Okay. Rename it as farmers or whatever you have. Correct the issue, that's it. So I did cancel and all are there. So now we will write one by one. All files are already open, it's okay. So P1, Control A, Control C, and paste it there and we have to Control V and it's not working well. Control A, Control C, yes, it's pasted and I also saved it. See, it's the yellow orange something. But if it's not code is not correct, it will go red. Let's not change any code. Let's go to Q2, paste the code. Q2 is going red. Why? No issues, guys. You can proceed. I will tell you why these are happening. So let's go to Q3, Q3, and then we will go for Q4 and do it for Q5 also. These are actually, they want these files and we have not written anything there. That's why these are going red. No, so we will add them now. So again, farmer, yes, this one. So this farmer.java, farmer.java, farm.java. Yeah, we can close this one. Yeah. So farm.java, double click and paste this. All these codes I will give you in description box, okay? Don't worry. So it's agree you, we have tested. So almost all the red flags I have went away. See, everything is clear now. So let's start our codes and all screenshots, taking everything. Let them be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are perfect. You can ignore this 1, 2, 3 warnings here. Okay, in my recording. Yes. Okay. So P1 is there. This is the arrow to drag up and down, and let's take a screenshot of our code. Always take full screenshot, but I will take one here because we have to create a document. So this is also PDF, this is data transfer sheet. So let's start pasting our file. Remove it and paste it. Okay. So screenshot one. So only half code is there. So let's go for more. I guess 3 pages will this concept will be needed. Okay, let's take this screenshot as well. Paste the screenshot and come in our header. Let's take that also. Paste the screenshot, paste here, save it. And for output, we have to run this file. So click there and click on right click there, run as. So to get the output screen to console, we have to drag it up so that we can see the output. So the output is Echo track system, please enter your farm. So let's give some farm name. You can give your name or your bits ID. Let me give some bits ID, something like this. Fine. And press enter. And it's asking for today's rainfall enrollment. So let's give 50.45. Here it's asking again for please enter fertilizer quantity in kg. So let's say 22 kg. So it's saying that crop index 94 and it's given and high field. Okay. So let's take this output screenshot, take it and paste it in the file. So question one is completed. Now it's time for question two. It's saying to create something first type control. Okay. So question two we have, farm we have, and every unit also we have. So let's execute everything. Go to the question number two and just run it as farm application. So we are ready for the output. Let's take the screenshot of the output. Code is already visible. Let's take a screenshot. Full code is visible. Directly paste it and we can also paste this in output also because output is also visible along with code. So we have to paste farm and agri unit also in code section. So let's go to farm and we have to do the code in farm. So drag it down. The next code is visible. Take screenshot and paste it there. And this was fully not visible, so let's scroll down and take the screenshot as well. Paste the screenshot and found then agree unit also needed. So we'll take the unit also, install and paste it there below. So question two is done. For question three, we have to do the same. That means question three, agree unit, partner and farm and output. So let's go, let's move question three and let's run this. So we have started there, but let us take screenshot of the code. You can remove this later, okay, after taking all the screenshots. So it's there and then take the screen also. Take the output screenshot and paste it. But we have not done yet. We have to create all the screenshots. Agri unit, farmer, farm. So let's take it. Agri unit. Uh, okay, agri unit. We have to and the screenshot. So I will need to form one farmer and farmer, farmer code, screenshot, and Facebook. And then we need farm also. So farm is text, let's minimize it completely and take the screenshot, paste it. So this code is also not fully given to them. So let's take one more screenshot, scroll it and take the screenshot. Output we already tested, and let's go to question number 4. So inheritance and pollution of system we have to solve. So what are the required coding size? Q4, legume, farmer, organic farm. So let's start one by one. So to the question number 4, double click and become a Java application. So it is visible. So let's take the coding first. Coding screenshot. Take the coding screenshot and paste it. And you can do the rest all yourself. Take the screenshot of agri unit, farmer, and organic. Okay. Take the screenshot of agri unit, and then farmer, and then farmer screenshot also. I am not doing it, but you have to do, and then paste the screenshot. You have to make the video. I have to make short video, that's why I'm not doing it, but you have to do it, okay? For screenshot output, we have already paste the screenshot. For paste, we will go with those files are just Q5 and farm. So go there, click on the double click on Q5, minimize this. So take the screenshot of the Q5, paste here, okay, and then farm also here to do it. So select farm, two screenshot will be needed because half of the code is visible. Take the screenshot, paste. So the draw and then take the screenshot and paste it. We have to run this. Q5. Okay, so this is the code and screenshot. Just letting the screenshot. Now take the screenshot and let's save it. Java business and then they given farm code also, and then we run it and we given reply output also. Now what is this debugging? So now we will go with debugging. For debugging, guys, come to this Java file and find this public farm line, then this line. Double click here. Okay. So it will toggle a breakpoint, and then you have to click on this question type of Java, and you have to click on debug as Java application. So let's now let's remove this as on open and then this one step over the how these are changing. So this is calm and get calm. This one is looking change, looking calm and become 20. This become 20. Let's take the system shot. Okay. So let's go step back and take screenshot. Don't do into we have to do step over. Okay. So to do it again, step number. So let's take the 15 shots and save it in the debugging. Take more than one screenshot, okay? So that step over I show you screenshot is it can so for debugging we have to take a screenshot also and this screenshot we have to take this screenshot and so it's done now it's time for lab usage. So this is the lab usage and we have to go to this Eclipse file where it will come. So Eclipse file we have to so what I did is we insert the file. So click on here, click on the refactor where yes. So I click on move. So it is showing our location file. Okay. So we will copy that and then we will paste that location and that you will get your SRC and my first file and here is all your files. So take the screenshot and paste it there, okay? Did you got my point? So if you have any doubt, you have to put in the comment section below. I will try to help you definitely. So thank you guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day.